Hello all. In this video, we will be discussing about Google Kubernetes engine. In that, these are the various tasks. We need to create a GKE cluster, get authentication credentials for the cluster, deploy the application to the cluster, and delete the cluster. So these are our tasks. We have to create a Kubernetes engine cluster, uh, create a new deployment, create a Kubernetes service, and delete that cluster. So let's start with the lab. Start the tutorial. So here an overview about the GKE is given. In the next page, you have the setup and requirements. So here, if we have, you have to activate the Cloud Shell. Yeah. So here we need to set the zone. So as usual, enable your cloud. Now enable your Cloud Shell. First command to set the region. Region is set. Now let's set the zone. Next, we need to create a cluster. So run the command for creating the cluster. It might take some time. So the cluster is configured, cluster's health is checked. Let's wait until the prompt comes. Yes, so now we have received the container is created. So this is the status. It is in running status. Okay. Now let's do the progress check. So you got the 25 points. There are 4 activities in this. So each carries 25 marks. Now let's do the authentication of the cluster. Authentication for the go to the next page. Deploy the application. Take the command and run it here. Again, check the progress. Got 25 points. Next is to create a Kubernetes service. Run the command. So this is the output. So we got the same output. Next, to inspect the server or inspect the service. So here we have hello server and Kubernetes. So same output. Now we need to view the application from the web browser. So for that, we need to take the external IP. So here, if you check, okay, it's still running. Let's wait for some time, and external IP has to be assigned. So after waiting for some time, you can run the same command again. So here the external IP is assigned. Now we can now take this command, open another tab, paste it there. Then from here, copy the external command, external IP, and place it in the square bracket. And press enter. So you will get the output hello world. Now check your progress. So here we got the points. Next we need to delete the cluster. So take the command and run it. This will take some time. So we got the prompt. Now check the progress. So here we got all four tasks completed. Let's check whether there is any MCQs. No. So there are no MCQs here. Okay. So with this, we come to the end of the Google Computing Foundation certifications first unit, first module about the computing fundamentals. Thank you all for watching the video. I'm ending the lab.